How to efficiently adhere subfloors like a pro. You need Great Stuff Pro Construction Adhesive, a Great Stuff Pro Dispensing Gun 14XL, gloves, eye protection, a trash bin, cloth, and Great Stuff foam cleaner. First, make sure all flame sources are extinguished. Prep the area by removing all water, oil, dust, dirt, or debris. Shake the can for 60 seconds. Invert the can and install it onto the dispensing gun with a twist. Adjust the flow control knob on the back of the gun to achieve your desired flow. Press the trigger to fill the gun with adhesive, then dispense. For greater precision, simply twist the flow control knob. Set it to 1/2 inch for this application. Install the forked guide, then pull the trigger and apply the bead across the full length of each joist. Admire that steady bead size. Pro tip: Great Stuff Pro Dispensing Gun 14XL's 40-inch barrel makes dispensing in hard-to-reach areas easier with no bending over. Lay the subfloor right after dispensing the adhesive. If the applied bead skins over, scrape it off and apply a new one. Mechanically fasten the boards right away to achieve an optimal bond. Close the flow control knob to keep any adhesive in your dispensing gun from curing. Finish your project by fully cleaning your dispensing gun. Learn how by clicking here. And that's how you professionally install subfloors with the trusted brand Great Stuff Pro.